Welcome back to Training Your Virtual Pet. Today we're going to get our pets to socialize with other pets on the network. And so I have here a second one that I also prepared earlier, Tammy the Tamagotchi. And so we're going to make our Mario pet wave and say hello to Tammy the Tamagotchi and have Tammy wave back to Mario. So using the same process, I can delete these commented outlines now. Same process that we've done for other times, except now we'll also incorporate it into our menu system. So we will create a function for this. Define show hello. Oops. And so let's add it to our menu system straight away. So have a meal. The next one is say hello, oops, in the quotes, say hello, and I come down here and I need to say, okay, I'm adding another option, so 5 is now the max, because then if option is equal to 5, we're going to show the hello menu. Right, that will make all that work. Now let's come up here and actually put in some code. Let's do the same as we've done the last few times, and we can copy and paste some of this. Okay, mealtime. Instead of that, we are saying hello. So instead of /meal, just a reminder that all of this summary information is on the web page. So /hello is the address that we want to go to. We provide our API key and we get 2 different responses. Because this needs 2 devices to be saying hello to each other, the way this works is both computers need to go to the hello address. The first one that does it will just get an acknowledgement saying, okay, yes, you've waved. And then we need someone else to also come in. So the second person will get a success message straight away and the first person's pet name. All right, so if Mario goes first, Mario will receive an acknowledgement. And then when Tammy goes to this address, Tammy will get success and say that Mario waved to her. So then how does Mario find out? So Mario needs to go back and check a few seconds later. Right, so if Mario gets an acknowledgement, Mario goes back a few seconds later to this different address, and at this point in time, he will either receive a success with Tammy's name, or he'll be like, no one waved back, sorry. Okay, so that's kind of the way that the flow works. I should draw up a flow chart. Maybe I will. Hopefully by the time you're checking this on the website, there'll be a flow chart for you. All right, so what's going to happen first of all then? So we need to check did we just get an acknowledgement? All right, so data, if the data status is acknowledged, then we'll wait 5 seconds and see if someone waved back to us. All right, so we'll have a little nap. Maybe even put on the screen, let's just say waiting. All right, waiting for reply. Okay, and then we wait the 5 seconds and then we run this again. So I'm going to copy that, paste it here, but indent it because it belongs inside that if statement. Right? But this time we're going to go to that check address. And now we will either have the success or we'll have failure. No one waved back. So in this case, now we can say if data of the status is equal to success, right? So if the first time, if we were the second person in, then status wasn't acknowledged, we can go straight to checking was it successful or not, right? And so that's, but if we were the first person, then we wait the 5 seconds and get new data, and then we can check is this new data equal to success or not. So that's that's what is happening here. And so in this case, if we're successful, well, let's be all happy. So we can display. Let's just clear the screen. What is it? Colors, black. Display. Let's put the happy character on screen. So draw the image of my Mario exclaiming, being all very happy, exclaim dot raw in the top left corner, and that's 180 by 180, and then display dot draw text. Okay, so x coordinate is 160 at the top of the screen. Yay, we have a friend. Font, colors equals, I don't know, green for good mood, red for bad, I guess, I don't know, up to you. Colors dot black. Okay, and then we can say, okay, who waved at us? Let's just copy and paste this a couple of times. So we can skip a line, and we'll put the person's name. Okay, so their name, all right, if we come back to this, if it's successful, then we'll have a value here called responder in our data. Right, so their name is equal to data responder. And then in here, we can just print their name. And then here, the message can be, yeah, they waved back. Else, if that didn't happen, then no one waved to us. Our virtual pet is all sad and lonely. So we won't have a responder name because no one waved to us. So delete that because otherwise we'll get an error. And let's have Mario being flat. No. Change these greens to red. Alright, and then here. So sad. Alright, no one waved. And that should do it. If I, oh, it's still running. Okay, so we stop. Save. Run. Right, let's get my Tammy the Tamagotchi one ready. The menu system on this one is slightly different. So next. Oh, Tammy is eating a meal. Next. Oh, come on. This menu system's a little sensitive. Okay, Tammy's ready to say hello. Let's get Mario ready to say hello. Say hello. Okay, Mario, say hello. Tammy, say hello. Friendly wave. No, so sad. No one waved. And then what happens with Tammy? She also got an error. So something went wrong. Let me quickly take a look and figure out what happened. So I wonder if you noticed what the error was. I didn't change the URL. That was still meal. It should say hello. And this should say hello check. Gee whiz. Save. Alright, I'll rerun this. Okay, let's see if it works this time. We go to... Oh, I clicked on weather by mistake. Have a meal. Tap to say hello. Alright, and come on, trigger, and do the same on Tammy. Yay, Mario waved back, which means Mario should also get, after the 5 seconds, no, we crashed. Syntax error in JSON. Oh no, what happened here? Line 129. Hello, check. Okay, it's because for some reason on my server I made that a get request and not a post request. I'm going to change it so that they all work on post. So it's just one, rather than having to it's just an extra layer of confusion that I shouldn't have to worry about. Alright, so now it should work fine. So Tammy gets the hello from Mario, and Mario should get the hello back from Tammy. Yay! Alright. Next video, we'll play paper, rock, scissors.